What's up everybody, this is Danny and this is the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. These are up first and then the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max are available later, so I'll be covering those as well, so stay tuned. I want to unbox them both to show you what the experience is like and what you can expect, and I want to compare them both to help you make the best buying decision. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you some camera test samples to show you what these cameras can do. Let's not waste any more time, let's just jump right in. The first thing that you'll notice is how small these boxes are. They are super slim and they're like that for a reason. The unboxing experience is going to be a quick one. First you get the phone itself and we will put that to the side. You get some paperwork here and even that has been scaled down, but I'm okay with it because I don't read it anyway. But I'm glad that they still included the Apple sticker because I know people love these. And then you'll just get the USB-C to lightning cable, and yes, it's true, there's no power adapter included this year with the iPhones. It's a controversial topic, so let me know how you feel about it. But what's great is that the channel sponsor Spigen has you covered with an inexpensive but powerful 20-watt power brick that is super small and compact. This is the PowerArc ArcStation Pro up against Apple's 5-watt charger that used to come in the box. Almost the same size, and you get a full 20 watts of power that you need for fast charging on your iPhone 12s. So I'm gonna leave a link down below for you. You're gonna want to pick one of these up. This is the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro, and this is the blue iPhone 12, so hit that thumbs up if you're a fan of blue. I am so stoked about these colors because they look gorgeous in person. So let's just jump right into what's different about these two phones. The iPhone 12 comes in at $799 and the iPhone 12 Pro comes in at $999, so there's a $200 difference. So what do you get in the Pro that you don't get with the iPhone 12? First is the build materials. The iPhone 12 is also made of metal and glass, but you will notice that the 12 has a glossy back while the 12 Pro has that frosted finish. I'm a fan of both, but I think I prefer the 12 Pro's finish better, just my opinion though. The rails on the sides do a flip-flop though. The 12 has a flat metal finish while the 12 Pro has a shiny stainless steel finish, which is striking in person. Now I don't think this is a reason for you to buy the Pro specifically, but it does look great. The cameras on the back are also a major difference while the main sensor and wide angle remain same on both. The 12 Pro gets a 2x telephoto lens and a LiDAR scanner, which allows it to focus faster at night and do night mode portrait shots, which the 12 cannot do. Another difference is on the video side. Now both of these phones do get the new HDR Dolby Vision recording, which looks absolutely incredible. But the difference is that the iPhone 12 gets HDR video up to 4K 30 frames per second and the Pro gets HDR video up to 4K 60 frames per second. Probably not a big deal to most, but the difference is there. The base storage on the iPhone 12 is 64 gigabytes and it's $50 more to bump up to 128 gigabytes, which I highly recommend, but the iPhone 12 Pro comes with the 128 gigabytes standard. So it didn't take long. Those are the major differences, so this is all good news because they share a lot of similarities. They both get that new squared off design. I love this because it's like that futuristic iPhone 4 and 5 design that I absolutely loved, but refined in every way. They really do feel amazing in your hands, so much so that I almost don't want to put a case on it. But with how clumsy I am, of course I had to put a Spigen Ultra Hybrid on it immediately. You know how I feel about clear cases. It lets me show off that beautiful blue color and it gives me that perfect protection that I need at the same time. Plus some of these new cases don't give you that button tactility like Spigen does, so if you're a fan of clear cases, I will also leave this link down below. So the screen sizes this year, they're the same. They both get the new 6.1 inch OLED Super Retina XDR display, so no more LCD on the more affordable model. They both get the new super powerful A14 chip, so you're going to get the same great performance, but the Pro model does come with extra RAM at 6 gigs where the iPhone 12 has 4 gigs, so keep that in mind. They both get 5G connectivity support as well, so that is fantastic. They both have the same battery life claims. They both have dual speakers, IP68 water resistance, wireless charging, and MagSafe wireless charging and accessories capability, and both get that tougher ceramic shield on the display, so you should get better scratch protection on your phones. So based on those differences, is the iPhone 12 Pro worth $200 more than the iPhone 12? Let me know in the comment section below because this year I think it's harder than ever. Okay, so let's talk about cameras and then we'll get into the samples. The front-facing camera is the same on both, 12 megapixels with f2.2 aperture. On the back, they both get a new faster main sensor. It's a 12 megapixel f1.6 aperture shooter, and the ultra wide is a 12 megapixel f2.4 lens with a 120 degree field of view. But as I showed you earlier, the Pro has a 12 megapixel f2.0 2x telephoto lens and a LiDAR sensor for better low light focus and night mode portrait shots. For me, that's the biggest differentiator because I'm a camera dude, and if you want those features, you're gonna have to buy the Pro. But the good news is that there's deep fusion now across all the cameras, and there's night mode across all the cameras. So no more struggling with the ultra wide at night, and your nighttime selfies will be much better. So let's jump right into the samples. I've had these phones for a couple of days, and this is what I was able to get. The nighttime shots that I'm going to include here is a sneak peek of a camera comparison I did between the Pixel 5 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because I wanted to see how the iPhone 12 Pro stacked up against the best Android phones out there. Enjoy the photos and videos, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, then hit that subscribe button right now because you will not want to miss these camera comparisons coming up.